Vietnamese festival. Nice. How is it? ho のような発音。ホーバオ。ホーバオ。Oh, I wanna burger giveaway too. I wanna burger giveaway too. Hanbao is hamburger. Honbao. So fun. Vietnamese food is so good. I like Vietnamese food too. Hanbao, hamburger. Honbao. Oh. Honbao. No, you give me hanbao. Honbao. Honbao. Hanbao. Hamburger. Honbao. Lead pocket. Ah. Yeah. Hanbao. Honbao. So similar. Yeah, just give me. Why does it sound the same when I say what? Honbao. Hanbao. It's different. Honbao. Hanbao. When will you come to California? I wanna go. But now if I go to California and then come back, I have to be... Hi. If I go to California and then come back, I have to stay at the hotel for 6 days. Which I don't want to do that. Grandma enjoyed, yes. Vietnamese food is delicious, true. True. Well, like now it's like a 7 days in total, but some of the place, I think except California and New York, and I forgot the other one, but like probably like 3 or 4 of the places in America and Korea and some other places, you have to be in the hotel for 6 days, and some other places you only need 3 days hotel and 4 days in your house. I'm gonna beat you up. Thanks for the follow. Bandy. Especially the hotel you stayed at, yeah. For like if I go to travel and come back. Hon, but with a rising intonation. Han, bao. Han, bao. Yeah, the staying at the hotel is free, yes. 20 days? Oh my god, that's terrible. Borders here are closed, offices. When I go to Japan, they won't allow me, true. If you get COVID, it's still 6 days. I'm not sure.
のスペースレフトチアード X100
Thank you, Space Left for 100 piece. Thank you so much. Hi, okay, Mango. But Yuri got COVID. Yuri got Omicron. Yuri got COVID. She said it was like super bad, and she went to like a rapid test, and she got positive, and then after that she was like, she thought like she's okay. Then she tested again, but she was still positive. So I think she's like taking a long break right now. If you test positive once, you need to back negative results to leave the yeah, that's hard. And you said like her boyfriend started to have like a fever after she started to recover, but then like when he tested, he was negative. But I think it's just like not just not showing up yet. But her boyfriend didn't get vaccination, so I'm worried because people who didn't get vaccines and get COVID, probably it's gonna get worse, right? I got Omicron on Christmas, but I had the booster shot, so it wasn't bad. Oh, really? If you get Omicron, you can get it. Immunity? What's immunity? Rapid test is not very accurate. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah. Just missed. Oh, Yui's boyfriend is not get vaccine. So 밖에 눈이 잔뜩 많네. Immunity. 아,免疫. 아, 알겠다. Thank you, thank you. So yeah. Be careful, guys. Like some people are like no symptoms and anything, but some people really get bad, so it's like, I don't know, so strange. Like not everybody get symptoms and stuff, but too short and got COVID just after Christmas. He said it was like a really bad cold for around 2 weeks. 2 weeks? That's so long. 요리는 하시나요? 네. 아, 만들었어요. 오늘은. 너무 맛있었어요. I was sick for maybe 3 days. 만두. It just depends on the fun personality style. True. Yeah, like how can I say it? Like I don't know. Maybe to pay 40k for 14 days counting who get in touch with any case. Oh my god. Yeah, now like Japan is getting like spread all over. So like there's like a less like essential worker cannot work if they get to like get like close contact, they cannot work either, right? So that's why people started to make it short, like quarantine. So if you're essential worker, you can only need 5 days. I'm excited for the Winter Olympics. Not really, because I'm not participating this time. Are you? Hi, wow. What kind of sports are you guys gonna watch? for winter sports. Ski, snowboarding. What else? Carrying. What else? Oh, I can't think of any other thing. Carrying, like I know carrying, skiing, snowboarding. What else? I don't really watch the Winter Olympics. I got my third shot last week, but I killed my arm this week, Alan. Oh no! My company had their log sponsored on some athlete. Really? Really? Nice. Ice skating. Ah, true.